In this video, we will learn the concept or a method called coordinate system. As you can see in the slide, there are two images. The right image is called line coordinate system, and the left image is called Cartesian coordinate system, and we will learn both of them. So if we go to Wikipedia or the ChatGPT, we will get a sort of definition for coordinate system as below, as following. A coordinate system is a method for describing the position of points in a space using numbers. These numbers, called coordinates, specify the location of a point relative to a reference point or origin. So it is not a simple definition, because it is very long definition, but you can understand it or start understand it by visualization. So you can see below a space and a few points, black points, mark inside it, and a special point, the red point, is called the origin. And we want to describe the relationship or distance or relative position of the black points relative to the origin point, the red point. So let's start with a simple visual to define a coordinate system. I think the best way to understand coordinate system is by visualization. So we will start with a line coordinate system. As you can see, it's simple, a line and numbers attached to it. So imagine a dog standing on a straight road. This road is like our number line, where it can walk forward or backward. Now we attach the line coordinate system to the road, as you can see in the image. Now, if I ask where is number 3, you can point it on the front side of the point 0. And if I ask where is point -2, you can point on the backward side of the point 0. By the way, the dog stands at the coord 0, which is, as we saw before, called origin. But the dog can stand at any other point, not only in the origin. But we define to the line coordinate system so that the dog will stand in the 0 coordinate. Now we put a bird on the road. If I ask where is the bird, you will point on number 3. Now we put the bird on other location on the road. And if I ask where is the bird now, you will point on number 1. There are many examples in life where we use line coordinate system. The temperature. As you can see, the temperature is measured using line coordinate system. The red liquid, the top red liquid, the peak point on the temperature of the measured area where we put the temperature measurement. Type measure, where a man or a person or woman can measure the distance between 2 points. A time. This is another way to describe the time with two line coordinate systems, but the line coordinate system here is kind of tricky because we took the line coordinate system and make it as a circle. So as you can see, there are two line coordinate systems here. One line coordinate system is describe the hours, and the other is describe the minutes. Now we go to define Cartesian coordinate system. So imagine a treasure map. Imagine two number lines that cross in the middle, forming a big plus. Where they meet in the middle is called the origin and is marked as 0, 0. Here I'll put only the number 0, but any number on Cartesian coordinate system, any point on a Cartesian coordinate system, it is defined by 2 points. The left point is relative to the x-axis and the right point is related to the y-axis, and we will see this here. Imagine two number lines that cross in the middle, forming a big plus. Where they meet in the middle is called the origin. The x-axis has numbers, as you can see. To the right of the origin, the numbers are positive, 1, 2, 3, and so on. To the left of the origin, the numbers are negative, -1, -2, -3, and so on. The y-axis has also numbers. Above the origin, the numbers are positive, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Below the origin, the numbers are negative, -1, -2, -3, and so on. Now, how to find a point? For example, we want to find the point 2 minus 3. So we start at the origin. We go 2 steps to the right, and then we go 3 steps down, and we find the point 2 minus 3. Essentially, any point on the coordinate plane is characterized by its coordinates x and y. Each coordinate is the signed distance from the point of origin along the corresponding axis to the position of the point. So here we see the point P, which is minus 0.5 and 0.87. So the x-axis is minus 0.5 and the y-axis is 0.87. A Cartesian coordinate system can be thought of as two orthogonal or perpendicular line coordinate systems that intersect at their origin, which is the point 0, 0. Examples in life. There are many examples in life for using Cartesian coordinate system. As you can see here, you can put a Cartesian coordinate system, attach it, physically attach it to a machine, and now you can give coordinates to the points on the coordinate system, plane coordinate system, where you can see the grid coordinate system, black grid coordinate system. Another example is blueprint. Now we go back to the definition. A coordinate system is a method for describing the position of points in space using numbers. These numbers, called coordinates, specify the location of a point relative to a reference point or origin. I think we understand now better the definition. Let's end by the history. The term coordinate system comes from René Descartes, a French philosopher, mathematician, and scientist who is credited with developing the modern concept of coordinate system in the 17th century. Descartes introduced this idea as a way to represent geometric shapes algebraically and vice versa, laying the foundation for analytic geometry. So the historical context is the following. Before Descartes, geometry and algebra were treated as separate disciplines. Geometry was concerned with shapes, sizes, and the properties of space, while algebra dealt with numbers and equations. Descartes' breakthrough was to combine these two fields by using systems that could represent geometric figures using numbers. This system is called coordinate system. Thank you very much.